Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Airtable collaborators to manage project permissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Airtable project in your web browser. Locate the share button in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the share button to open the sharing settings. In the sharing modal, look for the invite by email section. Enter the email addresses of the collaborators you want to invite. Next, choose the permission level for each collaborator. You can select from options like editor, commenter, or read only. If you want your collaborators to manage permissions, select the edit. Once you've entered the emails and selected permission levels, click the Send Invite button. Your collaborators will receive an invitation email. They need to accept the invitation to gain access to your project. After they accept, return to the sharing settings. You can see the list of all collaborators on the project. If needed, you can adjust permissions for each collaborator. To do this, click on the drop-down next to each collaborator's name. Select a new permission level as required. Be sure to save any changes you make. Now your collaborators can manage project permissions effectively. They can also invite others by repeating the previous steps. Encourage your collaborators to communicate on updates and changes. This ensures everyone is aligned and informed throughout the project. You have successfully enabled your Airtable collaborators to manage project permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.